नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू। खुश रहो बेटियाँ। I JVN Amit Kumar Sharma. Today we are going to discussions the decision making process. A good way to make the most informed decision is to follow a process that assures you are taking into account all relevant informations and considering each of the most probably outcomes. A step by step checklist like this valuable for that purpose. At first, define the problem, challenge or opportunity. Second, generate any array of possible solution or response. Then third, evaluate the costs and benefits or pros and consultant associated with each options. Select a solutions or response. Implement the options chosen. Assess the impact of the decision and modify the course of actions as needed. You will not always find yourself going through all 6 steps in an obvious way. You might be responsible for one aspects of the process but not the others. Or several steps might be merged, but someone still should be going through each step in one way or another. Skipping steps usually leads to the poor outcomes. इसका टिप्स याद रखना है तो अपन ये भी कह सकते हैं कि रिमेंबर टू डेवलप स्ट्रेटजी टू इंश्योर दैट यू हैव टू ओवरलुक्ड important informations or misunderstood the situations and be sure the uncover and correct for the any basis you may have. Okay, then types of decision making skills. Then even if you do not yet management experience, you probably have made decision in a professional setting, because decision making is not always a cut and dried process, though you might not have a recognize what you are doing. These examples provide a sense of what activities from your own work history you can share with potential employers to demonstrate your decision making skill. Be sure to be keep your sharing as relevant to the requirements for the position as possible. Okay, इसमें मैं आपको स्टेप बताऊंगा अलग अलग किस तरीके के स्टेप्स हैं, किस तरीके के इसमें थॉट्स दिए हुए हैं, किस तरीके के इसमें बताया गया है. इसमें बताया गया है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग बताया गया है. ठीक है, वैसे अपन बात कर लेते हैं प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग की. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग के बाद अपन बात करेंगे कोलैबोरेटिव की. तो मैं प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग की बात करता हूँ. फाइंडिंग द बेस्ट solution when faced with a problem is of utmost importance, and taking a measured approach will help you get there. Having the ability to problem solve thoughtfully and logically while incorporating different perspectives is essential. Leaving your emotions at the door also all allows you to look at the problem from every angle. Regardless of your field, you will be faced with many problems. Those of who do not let the fact overwhelm us will thrive in our chosen careers. At first, active listening, ठीक है, benchmark development, brainstorming, casual analysis, collaborations, creative thinking, data analysis, data gathering, discussion, fact finding, forecasting, historical analysis, meditations, needs identifications, prediction, priority, process analysis, project implementation, project management, project planning, teamwork, task development and time management. रिपीट कर दूँ. एक्टिव लिसनिंग, benchmark development, brainstorming, casual analysis, collaboration, creative thinking, data analysis, data gathering, discussions, fact finding, forecasting, historical analysis, meditations, need identifications, prediction, prioritizing, process analysis, प्रोजेक्ट इम्प्लीमेंशंस, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट, प्रोजेक्ट प्लानिंग, टीम वर्क, टेस्ट डेवलपमेंट एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट। दैट्स इट। नेक्स्ट आपको इसके बाद बताऊंगा मैं कोलैबोरेटिव, और उसके बाद आपको बताऊंगा इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंसी। इस तरीके से मैं आपको ये आपका अपना जो मेथड है ये क्लियर भी हो जाएगा और डिसीजन मेकिंग भी आपको पता लग जाएगा इसका प्रोसीजर क्या है। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।